What if you could get that hazy cinematic glow in your images without filling your entire studio or house with smoke? This little piece of glass might be the best kept secret in my kit. If I could only own one filter, this might be the one. Welcome back, everyone. So here's the deal. I don't use many filters. Most of the time, I'd rather get the image natural and neutral in camera, but there's one filter that I've used consistently over the years, and it's the only one I keep in my bag. This is a Black Pro Mist filter. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it in my portrait work, why I like it, and where it works best, and most importantly, how it helps me get that glowing cinematic quality without sacrificing image sharpness. Now, if you want to get this look in camera without using a filter, then you're going to have to use those little cans of atmosphere. You're going to have to use a fog machine or a hazer. And I've used all of those, but the problem is that you end up filling your entire room with smoke, and then it inevitably gets between your subject and your camera, and that then dulls down the contrast and the sharpness. So instead of using this gear to put atmosphere in the room, you could just use a Black Pro Mist filter, and that will get you some nice glowing highlights. They come in various strengths, but I actually end up using the 1/8 and 1/4 strength filters, even though they go up to 3 or 4. You don't really need to go high on these because the effect starts to get to be a bit much really fast. So originally I would use these old Hollywood Fresnels by Mole Richardson in the background, and I had the real light bulb in there, and then I started using a flash and now a full color LED to get the same effect. But when you add the Black Pro Mist filter, it just makes the lens on the light glow a little bit and really creates that nice cinematic feel. I've also used my Black Pro Mist filter when photographing a subject with Nanlite Pavo Tubes in the background. These LED tubes would form crisp lines in the background without the filter, but once you add the filter, it really causes this really nice glow and haze or bloom around the lights. You could also use these filters on location, perhaps outdoors, in order to make the street lights glow, or maybe some practical light fixtures in an environmental space that you would like to have this look on as well. You could also use a Black Pro Mist filter when shooting video like I'm doing right now, only I'm actually not using a Black Pro Mist filter. I'm using my teleprompter. I will put an outline on there when I'm recording these videos, and then I'll kind of know what I want to say when I record them. But the teleprompter gives me the same effect that a Black Pro Mist filter would do. It makes that lamp back there glow and bloom nicely, so you might want to consider using a Black Pro Mist filter in your video work as well. I've always used these filters from Tiffen. They definitely did not sponsor this video today, and I bought these filters with my own money back in the day. But if you want to help support me to make more content like this, please click on the links in the description and then buy something from one of those retailers, and then I'll make a small commission. Also, if you could like, subscribe, and sign up for the bell, that would be great. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in down below. And also, if you think that there's a different filter that I should try or other people should use, leave that down there as well, because I would like to know, and I'm sure others would like to hear about it as well. If you want to take your learning to the next level, consider signing up for my online members-only learning platform, the Academy with John Gress. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.